Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this file and they're saying that the Intersect tool does not work on this file. So we're going to try it and we're going to select it all, and you can see the the Intersect does not work. Well, why does it not work? If we look at this under wireframe, go to edit, go to view and wireframe, you can see that there are other boxes. What he did, whoop, I backed up too much. If we go and look at this, and if we right click and put an outline on it, it shows you how he drew it. It's pretty smart the way he drew it. But by just taking the lines away does not work, because they're still there. If we go to view and wireframe, the lines are still there. Corel just makes them disappear. So what we have to do is go ahead and turn them back on. You go up to edit and find and replace. Now we're going to have to ungroup this for a second. Go to object, group, and I'm going to go ahead and ungroup all. And I'm going to try to select on one of the red boxes, and you can see I have it. I'm going to find and replace from selection, which is the red outline. And I'm going to go find all, and then I'm going to hit delete. Now basically the other lines are not there. There's another set of lines, but if we go to view and wireframe, you can see it's just those black objects. So let's go back to enhanced view, and we're going to have to group all this together. Now we might be able to turn off the red outline. There we go. Because it's not going to interfere, I don't think. But we're going to go to object and group it together. And then take a rectangle or a sphere or a square. I'm just using a circle. And then select it all. And look at that, the Intersect tool worked. So now we can grab that out. So that's the problem. Even though you turn hairlines off sometimes, they're still there. This would be a pretty cool lens effect, I'm thinking. I don't know what his plans are with it, but we're going to go to effects and lens and put in fisheye. And yes, that's pretty cool. And then freeze it. And you get that. Take away the outline. That's a pretty cool graphic. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.